Hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. Code with me. So friends, in this session, we'll be discussing about how to crack front-end for a web developer interview 2021 if you are a fresher. See friends, this video is dedicated to all the fresher who is desperately looking for the information of where to start, where to continue and how to end. So this video will be helpful for the candidates that is looking for front-end or web development interview. Okay, so before directly jumping to this video, if you are still not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button icon so that you will be never missing my new updates. See friends, this video will give you a basic knowledge of where to start, where to continue and how to crack the front end and web developer interview if you are a fresher in 2021. See friends, starting with where to start. See, most of the guys are confused that in their academics there are some few topics regarding the computer language they'll be coming across. They'll brush up these things and sit in the interview. That is should not be done. So if you are giving for a front end or a web developer, so there is a tips of where to start. So as per my experiences, I recommend you to start with HTML and followed by CSS. That's right friends. See, HTML and CSS, they are not a programming languages. Perhaps they are called as markup languages. The reason that I'm recommending you to start HTML and CSS because that is one of the most easiest language which can be learned within a span of a week. You heard me right friends. HTML and CSS is nothing but collection of tags that is used to create web pages and web files. See friends, the HTML CSS here is very easy to learn. Hardly it takes 1 week to any candidate if he focuses on markup languages. See, HTML CSS obviously may be easy, but it plays a prominent role in alignment of texts, images and videos in every of the web pages in every of the website. So I recommend you to brush up your knowledge regarding HTML CSS even in the technical face-to-face round, as well as if you are forced to write down in aptitude rounds. So HTML and CSS plays an extremely prominent role in front-end web development in an interview. Because if you are a fresher, so the interview will be focused more on HTML and CSS tags. Example, what is this HTML tables, what is HTML tags, and every single thing plays a prominent role in HTML and CSS tags. Okay, so if you are giving to HR, make sure you start with HTML and CSS. So once you start with HTML and CSS, you'll be getting a clear-cut idea to where to continue and where to end. So I recommend you to start with HTML and CSS. So friends, if you start HTML and CSS today, I guarantee you that hardly it will take 7 days to perfect HTML and CSS. Okay, so once you're done with HTML CSS, now the question here is where to continue. Okay, now once you have completed HTML CSS and you guys are very good in tags and creating web pages, text alignments, image alignments, video alignments, everything. So the question here is where to continue. See friends, after you complete HTML and CSS, I recommend you to go through JavaScript. That is exactly right. This is one of the most important programming language in front-end development that every company demands. You heard me right. See friends, the JavaScript is one of the most famous popular programming language that every company demands. Perhaps that the domain of JavaScript have better growth as well as excellent salary packages. Obviously, I do agree that JavaScript do need of Java. Hardly it takes couple of time and patience to build Java. The reason I'm telling you to learn JavaScript because friends, the Java codes is written inside nothing but HTML tags. That's exactly right. The Java codes is embedded inside the HTML tags. So JavaScript is combination of HTML, CSS and Java. So once you're done with JavaScript friends, obviously what happens here, proportionally XML and Angular becomes very easy. Yes. So once you're done with JavaScript, friends, I assume that this is much more enough to crack any front end or web developer interview if you are a fresher. Okay, so once you're done with JavaScript, so it will be a piece of cake of for XML and AngularJS. So once you master this HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so other languages of front end will be far more easier than you expected. So you don't need to work, sit and put your time to learn any other languages, because once you master HTML, CSS and JavaScript, rest every programming language will be a piece of cake. So once you master JavaScript and XML, so even the Android development will also be a very easy programming language for you, because Android Java will be just a combination of XML and Java. So friends, so if you are giving an interview, make sure you're ready for HTML, CSS, JavaScript for aptitudes, face-to-face round, even when they are forced for any programming round. So friends, I assume as per experiences, this is a far more and much more information that is required, a knowledge that is required to crack any interview, because interview will not push you to the extremely advanced question for a fresher. So he'll be testing your basics and your grasping knowledge and your confidence regarding the front-end development. So he'll be focusing more on JavaScript, CSS and HTML. So in extreme rare case scenario, he might ask you regarding other than like XML and AngularJS. But if you are giving to interview for web development, so I recommend you to please brush up on JavaScript, HTML, CSS. This is the far most and much more knowledge for to crack any front-end or web development interview. Okay friends, so before directly ending this video, if you like this video, make sure you like this video. Thank you for watching friends. Have a nice day.